LVDT is the acronym for linear variable displacement transducer and is a common type of electromechanical transducer that can convert your rectilinear motion or that can convert your linear motion into a corresponding electrical signal. From this experiment, what we will be doing is we will be converting the linear motion of this displacement sensor into a electrical signal that will be measured at these two ports using a multimeter. Movement of this metallic core is measured in this LVDT trainer. The movement of this core into the sensor and out of the sensor, that is on your left hand side, onto your left hand side and onto your right hand side, is tabulated in this tabular column, that is core movement towards your right side. Okay, in displacement in how much that the core is displaced along with the output holes, and core movement on your left hand side along with the output hole is measured, and then a plot is done similar to this model graph that I am showing now. So at null position there will be a minimum output voltage, and if your core moves from your left, from your null position to your left, there will be an increase in voltage. Okay, and if your core moves from your null position to your right, there also there will be an increase in voltage. This is measured in this trainer with the help of a multimeter. Okay. Now I am adjusting the position to displacement to 0. Yes, and this is the voltage that we have that is shown on the screen. So I am just taking a note of it. Okay, then I am moving your core towards your towards your right side. Okay. See, it started in 36 and it varied to 37. It is varying between 36 and 37. So the first value would be it is moving towards your left side, that is core displacement is towards your left. So it will be 0 and will be 0.36. Second one would be 1, 0.37, and for similarly 2 it is 0.38, for 3 it is 0.39, for 4 0.40, for 5 it is 0.41. Now similarly for your core movement towards your right side, the displacement is 0. Let's mark it as negative. So it is 0.036. So here also it will be varying. Okay. Then for 1 it is 0.037, for minus 2 0.36, minus 3 0.35, minus 4 0, it is 8 9 4 0 5 4 1. See, if you are plotting these values in a graph, on x axis you have to take your core displacement, that is here will be 0, okay, then it will be 1 2 3 4 5, okay. For 1 the voltage would be 0.36, okay. For 0 it will be 0.36, for 1 it will be 0.37, for 2 it will be 0.38, for 3 it will be 0.39, for 4 would be 0.40, and for 5 it would be 0.41. Similarly, on your right hand side what you have to do is, for 0 it is 0.36, and for minus 1 it is 0.37, for minus 2 it is 0.38, for minus 3 it is 0.39, for 4 0.40, and for 5. So this is how your linear variable displacement, that is your rectilinear motion, is converted into electrical signal, and this is being tabulated, and the performance of LVDT is verified.